Hey guys, today let's see how the algorithms are noted in a Rubik's Cube. It is usually defined by a letter such as R, L, U, etc. For example, R means the right side turned clockwise and R prime means the right side turned anti-clockwise. L means the left side turned clockwise and L prime means the left side turned anti-clockwise. Now remember that both R and L are in different directions. Make sure you don't get confused. U is up turned clockwise, U prime is up turned anti-clockwise. B means backside turned clockwise, B prime anti-clockwise. F clockwise, F prime anti-clockwise. Hey guys, today let's see how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. As you can see, it's fully shuffled now. Let's start from the white. This piece has orange, blue and white, while this has orange, green and white. So this piece should come here. And now we need to take it there like this. And now this piece should go there. This final piece should come here. For that we need to do this, this and this. The first layer is solved. Guys, as soon as the white side is solved, flip the cube. We don't have to worry about that side anymore. And now let's solve the opposite of white, which is yellow. And the pieces are like this. And repeat this formula. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. Now when it comes like this, just hold the cube like this and repeat the same formula again. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. The top of second layer is solved. Sometimes you may get like this, where you need to just hold it like this and repeat the same formula again. And now you get this. And repeat the formula. In this step, we just have to align all the side colors so that it is of the same color. As green is already aligned, we need to take the opposite side of green and do this formula. At the beginning, if you didn't have any of the sides aligned, then you just have to choose any of the side and do the same formula and one side will be aligned. And it's solved. Guys, now let's see how fast I can solve this with the technique I just used. Thanks for watching.